Hi guys, this is Lakshman, and today this video is about unboxing an iPad, a personalized engraved version of an iPad. So Sonisa is just unboxing the iPad. So we received it on January 2 while we have ordered it on December 29. The reason why I am making this video is I searched a lot for the engraved iPads on internet, but I could not find much videos on YouTube. So this is the reason. So this is a simple video, and then it does not have any kind of technical specifications or no. So this is the iPad 6th generation special gray version, 9.7 inch, 32 GB, Wi-Fi only. So this is the engraved iPad. So this might be useful for someone who are looking to buy or who are interested in engraving. So these are the cables and power adapters, and then the Apple stickers. So if you turn it back, there's the engraved text, the two line of text. So the text is limited, so you might be choosing the number of characters wisely. So I added our name and date and then email address, so that it will be easier for us to find, or when someone finds our iPad when it's lost, and they might just email us instead of keeping the phone number. The reason why I placed email address was because we might be changing the phone number quite often while traveling for some other reasons. So this is the step where we set up the iPad. So I'm just skipping everything since this is basic. If you want to engrave your iPad, then it might take a couple of days more, since it is taken to the warehouse and then engraving is done. So you don't need to pay any extra charges for engraving. I think engraving is available for online purchases, and then on iPad and iTouch only. Not sure, on other devices you might need to check it online. So we ordered it on December 29 and then received it on January 2. That means in 4-5 days we got it. So that's a normal time. Okay, so this is the engraving. So we like engraving a lot. That looks really nice, and then yeah, it feels good. So this is just a basic step. So this latest version of iPad comes with iOS 12, and yeah, this is all. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hope you like the video, and if you are buying engraved iPads, so all the best for you. That's an awesome idea. Bye bye.